unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave dare not go, to right the right of the wrong, to be better far than you are, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest, to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to be willing to keep when there's no more to give, to be willing to die so that honor and justice may live. And know if I only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will lie peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest. And the world will be better for them, that one man scorned and covered with scars, so strong with his lessons of courage, to reach the unreachable star, to reach the unreachable star.